We are trying to figure out the value of square root of x. So look at clue 1. Clue 1, you have an equation. You only have one variable. Even if you do not know how to solve for x, it is possible to solve for x. You would get x equals some number. You take the square root of it. Now I'll show you how you would solve that. The cube root of x can also be written as x to the 1/3 equals 2. And if you cube both sides, you have 1/3 raised to the third power, you multiply, that gives you 1, x would equal 8. And then you plug that in there. What's the square root of 8? So clue 1 works. Forget about clue 1. Clue 2 also works for the same reason. You've got one variable in an equation. You can solve that and plug in that value for x, and you would have it. That's enough to know. Both work. I am going to show you how you would solve clue 2 just in case. You would take the square root of both sides, and when you take the square root of both sides, you get plus or minus. So that would be x equals plus or minus 8. But it says x is positive. You cross that one out, cross the negative out, you'd be left with positive square root of 8. Plug it in up there and calculate. So both work independently. Your answer is D.